Phuket is always worth a vacation. Empty beaches and empty hotels with ridiculous low prices make the holiday destination irresistible. It is also the best time of the year, weather-wise. Body surfing in lukewarm waters. During the high season, December to mid of April, the sea is calm like a swimming pool and 3 to 4 degrees Celsius colder. But we want it warm and wild. So that's why we decided to travel to Phuket again, just 4 weeks after our previous trip to the same island. We had a beautiful sky with very interesting clouds during the whole flight. The wind came from western directions, so we were approaching the airport from the east. As you can see here, we had a beautiful look over the cloud-covered Phang Nga Bay. See the rain falling to our right, and you can clearly see the striking difference between the cloud-covered and the sunlit areas. What a stark contrast! Also, the cloud ceiling is visible. The plane is flying almost exactly at the same height of it. Now we are just 1 or 2 minutes away from landing, and suddenly we leave rain showers and clouds behind us. It is dry and we have the sun greeting us on the runway. To the northern side of the runway there is not much of interest. But when the plane comes to the end of the runway, it's just beautiful to see the turquoise-colored sea on the west side of Phuket Island. But that's not all yet. We do not get a parking position directly at the terminal. Instead, we parked directly beside the beach and get picked up by a bus. Then we have a ride along the beach, and behind and through the trees you can again have a glimpse towards the turquoise-colored Andaman Sea. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you liked it, then please subscribe, because there's a lot more to come.